Trying this for a few days, guys. Trying to get this information here. This hole, I think, well, I really don't know what it was. There's nothing here labeling it. But I got the ignition, your throttle, the instructions on all this crap. This is the ground speed slot, and gauging, or disengaging and engaging the blade. Then you got your pistol grip shit over here. There's an hour meter there. I don't know if my camera's showing it, but that's pretty much all there is. And those little grooves, that's where the handle right here, the top of it was supposed to press in and stuff, but I'm kind of thinking that if I can't get this freed up, where that works, I may end up just putting it in here and say in a mid-range area someplace, and that way have the brakes on, fire that baby up, take the brakes off, and off we go. You know what I mean? Maybe that'll work, maybe not, but I'll be digging in to this. I gotta figure out why it ain't crazy cat. I gotta figure out why it ain't spinning. And just I'm thinking I'm gonna set the camera down for a minute. Alright, so this lever, the lower lever, that's the brakes on either side. This particular one is the left side brake, and the other one is the right side. But just trying to see if that gearbox had any numbers or any way to identify it. I seen a video online. I want to say it was on a smaller John Deere, had that same gearbox, and I requested the guy make me a video on that setup, but I don't think it's gonna happen. But I need to dig into this, figure out why it won't move. And then another thing I gotta do is, see that pulley is shot. I've never seen anything like that. But I gotta figure out how to replace them. And so in order to do that, I gotta take the wheel off. But I want to concentrate on the transmission part first. So Lee wanted to see the controls on there. I'll give it one more go around. This is the safety. Like I said, brakes. You got, I don't know what this hole is. This was your ignition. throttle, deck engagement, and ground speed over there. So there you have it. I'll have more videos coming later today, tomorrow, and hard telling how many other days later this week. So you'll see them as I get them. Peace out.